Hi friends. Today I will discuss some competitive exams questions. I want to solve some competitive exam questions like TF, TIFR, FR 2016. This questions is coming linear algebra problem solutions. Problem solution. Okay, this is not theory class. Theory class I also give on 2 theory class also I give and this kind of this questions is based on this three my theoretical class, based on my theoretical class. So listen, let S be the set of 3 cross 3 matrices with integer entries such that AAT is equal to I. Then order of S is equal to what? So friends, here A is equal to AT is equal to I. So must remember A is orthogonal. A is orthogonal. I also describe that orthogonal in the real matrix we can get orthogonal, and when it is complex then it is unitary matrix. There are 2 type of matrix. One is orthogonal matrix, another is unitary matrix. This matrix is orthogonal matrix. Now friends, you see that in case of orthogonal matrix, det A is equal to whatever I get, det A is equal to 1. And property of the orthogonal matrix. Properties of the orthogonal matrix: row and column, row vector or column vector of matrix, row vector and column vector of matrix are orthogonal. What is the condition of the orthogonal, friends? What is the conditional? I will discuss that. Suppose x1 does not equals to x2, then x1 and dot x2 is equal to 0. Okay. Another is x1. If x1 equals to x2, then x1 x2 is equal to 1. This is the formula of the orthogonal. So friends, we choose a matrix A, B, C. Okay, A, B, C. I can write A, B, C. Yes, I can write A, B, C, and I can choose it. And D, E, F, and D, E, F, and I can write G, H, K. Okay, simple fact: A, B, C, A, D, G. So my column vector, I consider column vector. Column vectors are ADG, one is column vector, and BEH, one is column vector, and CFK is also a column vector. If I will multiply A, D, G with A, D, G, so what I get, friends? Here row is 1, 3, and 3 cross 1, I can get A square plus D square plus G square is equal to what I get? I get 1. Similarly, friends, I can get B square plus E square plus H square is equal to 1, and C square plus F square plus K square is equal to 1. And I have to find out that number of S. how many S I can get? 3 in 3 cross 3 matrix, orthogonal matrix. So friends, in here you see that a square and d square and g square both are square matrix. If a will be plus 1 and minus 1, and d can be chooses, can be I can choose a should be plus 1 and minus 1, then d and g should be 0, and I can choose d is equal to plus 1 and minus 1, then others will be 0, and g is equal to plus 1 minus 1, then others should be 0. So my possibility choice is in here. If we will choose that, how can I can choose, my possibility choice is, if I can choice a b c, I can choice 2 plus 2 means total 6 way. When I choose a is equal to 1, then must remember my possibility will be here 2 way. And if any possibility means here, if I choose here is 1, then I can choose in my choice should be E and F 1. I can't choose D is equal to 1. So and if I choose B, then my possible choice is D and F. So here I can choose only E 2 plus 2, and here my choice is only 2. So here is 4, here is 2. So the permutation according to the permutation combination theory, the number of the total choice should be total choice should be 6 into 4 into 2 means 48. So my answer should be 48. Thank you. So friends, next problem is coming TIFR 2019. This problem is the matrices 0, 0, 0, 0, I 0, 0 and 0, 1, 0 and 0 minus I1 and 0, 0, 0, 1 and 0, 0, 0 are similar. Option 1, it is false or true. So friends, we know the similarities. Before the answer, we have to know that what is the similar matrix. A and B are similar. A and B are similar if and only if their Jordan canonical form means JCF are equal. Then A and B are similar. When A and B are similar, then friends, characteristics A must be characteristic B. Minimal A must be minimal B, and eigenvalue are same, and determinant value det A is equal to det B. So friends, here this question according to this question, our lambda means eigenvalues are 0. Eigenvalues are 0 in all case. In here also eigenvalue and 0, and here is also eigenvalues are 0. But I have to see that JCF are equal or not. So friends, in here first, in case of first, I write it is A and it is B. In case of A, GM of 0 is null space of null space of lambda, null space of 0. Null space of 0 means when I will subtract this is, then n is in here 3, n is 3, and when I will multiply, when I get the rank is also, rank of is 2, so it is 1. GM of 0 is 1 in case of A, and similarly we can get the GM of B is also 2. When GM of 0 in case of A, and in case of B, GM of 0 is also 1. And so number of Jordan block of zeros is 1. And another here only in this matrix, if we see that if we have to find out the eigenvalues, then we can get lambda cube is equal to lambda cube is equal to, then we can get eigenvalues are eigenvalue of this, these are all are 0. Eigenvalues are all 0. So JC block is my all JC blocks are 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 and 0, 0. So equivalent to, and here also same I can get 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. So friends, we see that they are both similar. So when we have to check similarity, then we have to check must JCF. Thank you.